What's up, FOA Squad? I'm Anthony, and welcome to our channel, Life with Anthony. I hope everyone is doing well out there. Happy Tuesday to you guys. So guys, today I'm going to be showing you my new fridge. I bought a new fridge because the Dometic CF18 fridge was too small. Now that I have a fridge and able to have a fridge in here all the time, I was starting to buy stuff and then not have room for leftovers and things of that nature. And not to mention, I'm going on a 3-day camping trip this weekend, and I need to have the capacity to have a lot of food to take for those 3 days. So I bought a new fridge, and this is the fridge. All right, the fridge is the F40 C4 TMP. Now, I don't know why they just didn't give the fridge a name, a word name, and then a number to identify the specific series of it. But this is it right here. And this is the fridge right here. Now, right now, I have all my food in there from the grocery store. So I'll show you guys what that looked like at the end. But right now, let's move on and let me show you guys what I bought from the grocery store, because I went overboard. I mean, I was in there shopping like I live in an apartment or a house and got a regular size refrigerator. I was like, oh my God, Anthony, you got to get this. Oh my, Anthony, you need that. Go, Anthony, get that. And I went to the tune of $108. Yeah, I bought $108 worth of food like I live in an apartment. Anyway, guys, let's get into this food haul. I'm gonna bring y'all a tad bit closer, hopefully, so I can set the stuff up here. All right, that's good, that's good. All right. I got some drumsticks because I'm going to be maybe doing some grilling. My chicken thighs. Now these are what I wish I had when I made that jambalaya. I got the chorizo sausages. Who knows, I might be doing a redo of that meal. I got some steak. Sirloin. I'm gonna have myself a ball at this campsite this weekend. I bought some burgers. I might be a little too close. Let me move y'all back some. Y'all probably be like, what is this, a 3D show or something? Got some burgers. And these are the good burgers too. I had the cheaper ones in there, and I was like, I saw these. I was like reading the box, and it was like the very best burgers, fresh Wagyu ground beef. Now, from what I know, Wagyu. I must be thinking about some ravioli or something. Wagyu. Shit. Got my hot dogs again from Hillshire. I ain't playing. And that's my meats. All right. I got some broccoli florets. Some French string beans. Bag of carrots. Cherry tomatoes. Red pepper, white onion, 2 rusted potatoes, some butter, get up in there. And get this. I bought some ice cream because when I went to eat my cup of yogurt out of there this morning, the yogurt was damn near frozen. I was like, ooh, okay. I hear you, fridge. So I'm gonna see what this ice cream do up in there. I might have to eat it right quick. Alrighty. Alrighty. Got some pizza dough. I'm gonna make my own pizza this time. Some Rayo's pizza sauce. This stuff is expensive. And somebody told me to buy this Rayo's spaghetti sauce and everything. That job was like $10. I was like, Some barbecue sauce, Sweet Baby Ray's. I'm gonna be doing me some grilling. Jar of mayo, because I like mayo on my burgers. 6 eggs, little mini carton. Some pepperoni pizza. I mean pizza. Pepperonis. I got pizza on my mind, don't I? Some pepper jack cheese to go on that pizza. Some 4 cheese. And now, oh, here is one of my favorites, my last bag. And these 3 bags is, woo. I got some scallops. I don't know which is which, I'm just saying. Some scallops. Some Atlantic codfish. And what's the other one I got? Oh, some shrimp. I'm gonna make me a seafood medley, hopefully. Now let me not hype that up, because it's not gonna be like one of those bowls, seafood bowls that you get from like at one of the seafood restaurants. No, it's not gonna be that. So let me downplay that. Bring it down there. All right, guys, that is it. I know I have some other things again. I have to get my rolls for my burgers and a couple other things that I'm going to need. But I am so excited now to get all of this in here. I had to take my water bottles and stuff out. I plan on taking my old fridge with me as well to the campsite. Use that one for my drinks and use this one for my food. So let me get this all in here. Cross your fingers that it all go in there, because I don't have anywhere else to put it. All right, guys, I was able to get everything in there. Now, I was able to get everything in there because I took everything out of its original package. I took the chicken out of the packet. I took the burgers out. I took the little board that was attached to the steak off. I took my eggs out of the carton, put them in these little baggies, like I said before. And luckily for me, everything fit. All right, guys, that's going to be it for today's video. As always, thanks for taking a few minutes out of your day to watch my videos. I appreciate you guys. You know that. And I'll see you guys the next time.